Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful 3D origami swan. Okay, first I will show you how to make the modules that I have used to build this origami swan. It's actually very simple, as you can see. You can cut 64 modules from a A4 sheet. I have cut like that. Okay, our modules are ready.
We'll need 179 white modules, 55 blue modules, and then one black module and then one red module. Okay, first we are going to make uh, 3 rows. First 20 module, then 19 and then 18. I'll show you how to make these rows. Okay, we are using only white for this. First I'll show you how to make the rows. Like this. Okay, we can see here these lowest ones are the first row and this is the second row and this is the third row. Like that we'll finish all the rows. In this way we'll finish. Okay, here I have finished the 3 rows, uh, 20 here, 18 here and 17 in the last row. Now we'll do 19 pieces in the lower portion. We'll do inverse like this. I'll show you. In these rows we have put this portion like this, but next step we are going to inverse this one and then inserting into the first row like this. Okay, we'll repeat this in all the uh, below row like this. uh, okay, we are almost done. Some more portions similarly. Okay, now we are done. We have 19 pieces here in first row and then 20 in the second row, then 19 and then 18. Now we are going to close this like this. Like this, and we'll connect this first row modules with their second row module like this. I'm not gluing this because I don't prefer gluing my origami models, because it's the law of origami that we should not glue the paper. So if you prefer gluing, then you can, but I don't generally glue my pieces. Okay, the third row I'm putting one connector over here, and then one more over here. I'm finishing this rows, and one in the below portion that we should connect. It will be little difficult, but you should try, and then you will get it right like this. Okay, we are done. Okay, okay. Now next we are going to start adding our blue colors. First we are going to add this blue one module in this layer like this, and then do the other layer with white. Okay, I have finished this layer. It will look like this. In the next layer I'm going to put two blue color pieces like this, and then finish the other with white pieces. Okay, I have finished this layer also. Third row will do one blue piece over here, and then we'll get a design like this. And then what we are going to do is we are going to cover this blue portion with white. First, in the left portion, in the hole, one blue color and one white color, and connect it. And then in the right side also similarly, and then like this and like this, and one more white on the top. Okay, now we'll start adding the wings. I'll take blue module and then place it inversely. The wings, all the wings modules are I'm putting inverse, not like this, like this. Okay, and I'm putting it, leaving two spaces. I'm not putting it here and not here. I'm putting it here. Okay, leaving two spaces. Okay, and similarly in the other side also inversely, not here and not here, the third portion. Okay, and then cover this portion like this inversely. Okay, I have finished this layer, and the next layer I'm gonna start with this position, not here. I'm gonna reduce one over here, and we'll get a mountain like shape. The other side also we start from here. Okay, and then cover it up. Okay, the second layer is also finished. Make sure it's all reversed, and then we'll start the next layer here, and then the other one here. See, and then we'll finish it off. Okay, I finished the third layer. Now the fourth layer like this, the other side, so like this. Okay, and then finish it. Okay, I have finished the fourth layer also. Now watch carefully that I'm gonna put one blue piece. Okay, and then I'm leaving one space, and then another blue, and then leaving a space, and then blue, and then leaving one more space like this, and then one more. Okay, okay, like this, and then fill these gaps with white pieces inverse white pieces. Okay, now we'll start adding white layer on the top, similarly like this. Reduce one, okay, like this, and then on the other end like this, and then finish up this layer. Okay, the finished layer will look like this, and then we'll again repeat like this. Okay, we have reached the last layer, and then one more over here. Okay, now we are done this portion. It will look like this. Okay, and then I'm going to take one full layer. I have built like this, putting modules over another like this. Simply you can make one, and then what I'm going to do is bend this like this. Okay, this is going to be the big portion, and then I'm going to put one black same size of module, and then I'm going to take one more small module. The size of this module is take a regular module that we take over here, and then make it half, and then cut it. This is the size of this small module, and then I'm gonna fix this. Okay, it will look like this, and now we're gonna put this in the center portion like this. Okay, and now our swan is ready.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions, please comment below, and don't forget to press the bell button so you can get notifications whenever I post videos. Thank you.